can see, today we are outside because, well, the gate fly. Well, it will fly by the time you see this video, which is gonna be July 1, because curfew never lift, but you know, it's a lot later now, and we can have events again in Jamaica, of course, with COVID protocols, and you know, we just feel nice. We have something to celebrate, so I figured I'd give you guys something to celebrate too by giving y'all 2 videos a week this month. Oh, that sound July festive down. You go there dance and you go enjoy yourself. You go come here, you go, Chantaylainey upload a new video. Yes, she did. And then you're gonna go again. Ooh, a few days later, Chantaylainey upload a new video. Yes, she did. July never that for nice, so talk truth, talk truth. So basically, I'm just making this video to let you guys know that we're uploading twice a week this month, so you can look out for all of the content to come. Be sure to leave a comment letting me know what kind of videos you want to see for July, because you know, why not? I got you. So leave a comment with a video suggestion and your girl will record it. Okay? So let me know how you guys been liking the content that we put out so far since your girl been back. Let me know if you like it, if it's, you know, you want to see more of those types of videos. And shout out to everybody that has been supporting, watching, commenting, all that jazz. You know, big up on yourself. I appreciate the support, and I just want you guys to continue to ride with me, you know, continue to support and watch the videos and leave comments, and you know, just engage with me, because your girl like talk to you, no nice. Sometimes reading the comments, I'm gonna know, but them people are mad. I like it. Can't be like mad people not gonna know me head no so. Anyways, so thank you for the support so far, and let's just ride this summer wave. Good things to come, lots of exciting content, so look out for it, guys. So on that note, I want to say be sure to keep safe. You know, we're on a decline now in Jamaica, like on other parts of the world. I don't know what's happening, but be sure to keep safe, guys. Be responsible, follow all of the protocols still, you know, get vaccinated if you can, but if you don't wanna, there's, I mean, ain't nobody telling you to do that either. So guys, I'll see you in the next one, which is gonna be like a few days from now, because it's 2 times a week. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.